NMAX is a designed formulation to reverse aging and longevity, which consisted of 5 major ingredients. First, NMN, a scientific proven longevity gene activator imported from the United States. The research has proven NMN was immediately utilized and converted to NAD+ within 10 to 15 minutes. Second, Vichoir, red pomegranate, using French patented nanotechnology to rejuvenate cells and skin and working towards younger, bright-looking skin. Third, grape stem cell, cultivated from Swiss technology using polyphenol-rich grapes from France as the basis of cultivation to produce grape stem cells with high active ingredients to renew cells and delay cell aging. Fourth, Davos Life E3, a patented and non-GMO mixed tocotrienol tocopherol to protect telomere length. Tocotrienol's antioxidant properties are 40 to 60 times more powerful than alpha tocopherol. Lastly, Ganoderma lucidum, a both traditional Chinese medicine and modern scientific proven mitochondrial function enhancer. Tear off 1 sachet of NMAX and directly consume to replenish NMN quickly. It is recommended to take 2 sachets daily for the first 3 months, and subsequently take 1 sachet daily for health maintenance to achieve anti-aging, prolong lifespan, boost energy, increase metabolism, improve physiological functions, maintain brain health and improve quality of sleep. 1 sachet of NMAX contains 200 milligrams of NMN, equivalent to 200 avocados, and it will be converted into NAD+ in 10 to 15 minutes to increase NAD+ level in the body. NMAX is an exclusive formula with the combination of multiple ingredients. It is developed by the International Manufacturing Standard, and we have obtained GMP, HACCP, halal and vegetarian certifications. The ingredients in NMAX have received several certifications and awards. Meanwhile, NMAX is awarded by Sinchu Daily for 2022 Malaysia Health and Wellness Brand Awards. Moreover, NMAX has undergone USM 600 types of drug tests, and it is proven for not containing harmful substances. A latest telomere length report from university shows that participants who consume 2 sachets of NMAX daily for 4 months have demonstrated the possibility to prevent shortening of telomere and have shown telomere lengthening from 2 to 13%. We have insured with 5 million product liability insurance to ensure NMAX is safe for everyone to use and achieve eternal youth.